Keep at least 10 to 25 feet of clearance from an outdoor fire pit to any structure or combustible material as a practical thumb rule for safety. For an outdoor fire pit, size and heat output determine safe clearance, so start by measuring the diameter of the pit and estimate the flame height when fully loaded. Smaller wood-burning pits under 2 feet across usually need about 10 feet to nearby combustibles, while larger pits and fire bowls producing higher radiant heat require up to 25 feet. Always place the pit on a non-combustible surface such as stone, concrete, or a purpose-made hearth pad that extends beyond the pit by at least 1 foot on all sides to catch stray embers and hot ash. Position seating and storage of wood so that combustibles are behind the clearance line and not directly downwind from the pit. Run a quick check on typical wind directions at your site and make minor layout changes if prevailing winds would push embers toward structures. Consult the pit manufacturer instructions for required clearances and follow local codes and ordinances, because they can mandate larger setbacks or specific protections like spark arresters or screens. If you are unsure after assessing size and site conditions, increase the setback and add a non-combustible barrier, like a low masonry wall, to reduce risk. 3 common mistakes are placing the pit too close to overhanging eaves or decks, which concentrates heat and can start hidden fires. So move the pit farther away or remove combustible overhangs and use a screen to reduce upward embers. A second mistake is using combustible flooring, such as untreated wood decking, without a proper non-combustible hearth pad, so install a correctly sized stone or concrete pad or relocate to a paved area. A third mistake is ignoring prevailing winds and nearby stored firewood, which can carry sparks to combustibles. So store fuel well outside the clearance zone and orient seating and the pit so prevailing winds do not blow directly towards structures. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and review practical guidance for outdoor fire features, and we host a discussion community where members share site-specific experiences and layout tips. We also help contractors find work through our listings and community engagement so both sides can connect and learn.